Ndewonu umunne. Ndewonu umunne means well done, my people. Today we are looking at 8 parts of speech in Igbo language. The 8 parts of speech. The first one is noun. Igbo. In Igbo language, we call noun aha. Aha, he, aha. This aha, we have done it in other lessons. So this time, I'm going to run through these 8 parts of speech, but we are not doing them in details. I just want you to know them. But we are going to pick them one by one, just like we did in noun. We did nouns in details. Noun is a name of any person, animal, places, or things. We did it in details. But we are going to do in details pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. They are the 8 parts of speech. We are going to do them in details, but let me just mention them in this lesson. So the second one is pronoun. Pronoun is called in Igbo Nnochi aha. Nnochi aha. Adjective, we call it in Igbo Nkowa aha. Nkowa aha. We call verb in Igbo ngwa. Ngwa. N'ingwe a. N'ingwe a ngwa. In Igbo adverb, we call adverb nkowa ngwa. Preposition, we call it mbuzo. Mbuzo. Conjunction, we call it njiko. Njiko. Interjection, we call it okumpu. When you talk of noun, which is aha, names of things, places, and names of persons. When we talk of pronoun, pronouns are when you don't want to use the nouns. You don't want to call the people's name. So you use something to represent the name. Adjectives, they explain about the nouns. They tell you about the nouns, how the nouns are performing, whether they did something fast or slow. We are going to do them in details. Then verb. Verb is an action word. It will tell you how people are performing. Running, standing, dancing. These are verbs. In Igbo, we call it ngwa. Adverb, nkowa ngwa. Adverb tells us about the verb. Preposition tells us position, where things are kept. We call it in Igbo mbuzo. Conjunction joins 2 things. In Igbo, we call it njiko. They can join sentence and sentence. They can join 2 names, Ada and Obi. That is why we call it conjunction. They join. Interjection means open mbu. Interjection means surprise. Open mbu. Open mbu. Surprise. Like ewo, chai, chimo. These are interjection. These are we just mentioned the 8 parts of speech. We are going to learn them in details, one by one. Thank you for following me, subscribing to my channel, Igbo Connect Achalugo. God bless.